Hello and welcome. I'm really glad you're here today. Are you trying to speak English, but sometimes feel shy or unsure? Don't worry. You're not alone. Today, I want to share a story with you. A short, simple, and beautiful story about friendship and learning. This story is easy to understand and perfect for English practice. You'll learn new words, repeat simple sentences, and feel more confident every step of the way. So take a deep breath, relax, and enjoy the story. Once upon a time, in a quiet little town, there lived a boy named Roffy. Roffy was 12 years old. He loved reading books. He loved to imagine new worlds. But he was very shy. At school, he didn't talk much. He didn't have many friends. He often sat alone, looking out the window, wishing he could speak like the others. Then one day, something new happened. A boy named Alex came to Roffy's class. Alex was new. He came from another country. And he didn't speak much English. The teacher smiled and said, "Roffy, can you help Alex learn English?" Roffy looked surprised. He felt a little nervous, but he took a deep breath and said softly, "Okay, I'll try." After school, Roffy and Alex sat under a big tree, their school bags beside them. The breeze was quiet, just like them. Roffy picked up a leaf and said slowly, "This is a tree." Alex looked at the leaf and repeated, "This is a tree." Roffy smiled. His heart felt warm. "Good job," he said. The next day, and the day after that, they met again. Under the same tree, Roffy brought his notebook. He wrote, "Book, pen, friend, happy." Alex tried his best, one word at a time. Sometimes he made mistakes. But Roffy never laughed. He always smiled and said, "You're learning. Don't stop." Soon, they began to laugh together. They played. They talked. Day by day, Alex's English improved. But something else changed too. Roffy was no longer afraid. He raised his hand in class. He helped other students too. He began to believe in himself. One sunny afternoon, Alex looked at Roffy and said, "Roffy, before I met you, I was scared. Now, I feel happy. You are my best friend." Roffy looked at him, his eyes soft with emotion, and said quietly, "And you are mine." That day, they both learned something powerful. Speaking English is not about being perfect. It's about trying, learning, helping, and growing together. The end.